guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to the park to celebrate Benny's 64K views in 2 hours. Yay! Benny! Start to the 15 pieces of graham crackers, finely crushed, in a mixing bowl. 1 cup of unsalted butter. Mix it well. In a spring-form pan, pour your graham crackers crust in a first layer. Make it flat and firm. I use heavy glass to form the crust until become firm and flat. And then keep in the fridge at least 1 hour or so. In a mixing bowl, I use Philadelphia cheese cream, 2 pieces. Break it. Then I add 1 cup of condensed milk. Then I add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then mix it well until become soft and fluffy. Then I add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and blend it well. Now I think the cheesecake filling is ready. Now for the second layer, layer your cheesecake filling. Make it flat and even. And keep in the fridge for about 2 hours or more. For the toppings, I have mixed fruits, strawberry, blueberry and raspberry. And I have 1 cup of sugar and strawberry, and then I add the blueberry and raspberry. Cook it until it's caramelized. Now the fruit toppings is ready, so we can add it on to our cheesecake on top. And keep in the fridge. The longer, the better. Hope you guys like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave comments below. And thank you to all my viewers and subscribers that always here in my channel and always show their support. I really appreciate it. And thank you for watching. See you on my next recipe. Bye.